Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to provide you solutions regarding assignment 10 of problem solving through programming in C. So friends, if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and share this video to your friends also. Keep supporting us. And coming to first questions, I have tried my level best to provide you the most accurate answers. So it is finally you have to decide to choose these answers or not, and these are my probable answers. Coming to first question, consider a situation where swap operation is very costly. So which of the following sorting algorithms should be preferred so that the number of swap operations are minimized in general? So the answer for first question is option A, that is selection sort. So mark first option for first question. Coming to second question, how can you improve the best case efficiency in bubble sort? And they have given a little bit information like hint, which is that the input is already sorted. So if you see this, they have given a options which containing a part of code. Up to 4 options they have given code. So I will choose the code that contains option B, swapped equal to false. Here B and C also have the same, but here they have given swapped equal to true, but it is nothing is assigned here to swapped value. This is the answer for second question, that is option B. And coming to third question, in dash search starts at the beginning of the list and checks every element in the list. There are two parts here, search starting from the beginning of the list and checking every element in the list. So the answer for this is option A, that is linear search. Linear search starts from the beginning, as its name will indicate as linear. That is answer linear search, and checks every element like in the linear flow. Coming to fourth question, what is the output of the following program? And they have given a short program, and they have given the options for the expected output from us. So when I have did this in C compiler, I have got this answer as 40. So where is that 40? It is here with option A. So mark option A as correct answer for fourth question. And coming to fifth question, what would be equivalent pointer expression for referring to the array element A of I, J, K, L? It is a multi-dimensional array with 4 sizes. So the answer is for fifth question is option B, that is asterisk of asterisk of asterisk of asterisk A of I plus J plus K plus L. These have to be referred in an order. It is pointer for A plus I, and this is added to the J, and it is also a pointer for this whole sum, and this will be a pointer for this whole sum, and this is pointer for up to L. So option B as correct answer for fifth question. Coming to sixth question, what is the output? And they have given a small program. So sixth question, the answer for sixth question, that is output, is option C, that is double R and R. So mark option C as correct answer for sixth question. And coming to 7th question, what will be the output on execution of following C code? So 7th question answer is option D, that is 3.5, sorry 3 comma 5, there is a space here, 3 5. And coming to 8th question, last but second question, assume size of integer and pointer is 2 bytes, what is the output of the program below? So the output of the program is, that 8th question answer is option D, that is 160. So mark 160 as correct answer for 8th question. Coming to last but one question, that is 9th question. What is the output of the program below? So they have given a program and they asked us the output. So when I did this in compiler, I have got 12.32 and second value is 2. So where is this option? They in A and B 12.32 given, but 2 only given for B, C, and common is option B. So mark option B as correct answer for 9th question. And coming to final question, they have given a hint. This is a common hint only, numeric answer only. So they have given a question and they asked us to find the root lying between 0 and 1, and we have to do this in 5 iterations, and we have to use bisection method up to 3 decimal places. The equation for this is f of x equal to x cube plus 2x square plus x minus 1. So when we go up to I equal to 5, because they have given 5 iterations, and up to 3 decimal places, so I have got the value as 0.468, and I have also got 7, but we have to consider up to 3 digits. So if you see this, I am going to zoom this, 0.468. It is the correct answer for 10th question, and I have got this answer. So friends, I am going to submit these answers. If you found this video helpful to you, subscribe our channel, like this video, and share to your friends. If you are new subscriber, click on subscribe button and also bell icon, so that you will get continued updates when I make any content. So this is for now. Until then, be safe, be happy. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.